Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Now on this section of this video, I'm gonna explain about what is SD-WAN and what is the connection from SD-WAN and WAN. Okay, let's go first. Let's go to this topology right here on SD-WAN. On this my lab open. Okay, there is a for that component we have built on SD-WAN that is a P manage, P smart, P bot, and PH. You can try this topology by yourself, but you have to have a. I'm sorry, there is a vehicle. I'm trying to turn on this component of this P manage, P smart, P bond, and PS, but my computer RAM is not good enough because this minimal for this topology is like 32 gigabytes for a server, and my laptop is only 16 gigabytes of RAMs. So I'm just gonna explain very simple about this SD-WAN. And first, before we're gonna go, uh, what is WAN? Okay, what is WAN? WAN are basically a wide area network. Is a type of network that is connecting a various area on one globe. This network used to connect devices in every remote location, such as between city, country, or maybe countryside. The main characteristic of this one or wide area network is very wide covered area and is a method of advance of technology. Okay, that is one. And the next one is uh, what eh, what is SD-WAN? Okay. Okay, what is the difference from one and SD-WAN? Okay, basically SD-WAN or software defines wide area network is a working networking technology that is enabled to build a secure high performance one using a software based control by utilizing software to control and manage networking connection. And SD-WAN offer you a great flexibility, efficiency, and security compared to traditional one or one area network. Okay, there just like I said, there is four component on SD-WAN that is vManage, vSmart, vBond, and vEdge. Uh, before I'm gonna explain what of these four, first you can go to Google and just type Cisco .NET or the Cisco Sandbox. You can try a simulation about this SD-WAN. Just go to the sandbox. And from this sandbox, if you don't not log in, you need to log in first like me. After you log in, you can launch a sandbox. Okay. First on this sandbox, okay. The default is not this is okay. This is default look of this Cisco sandbox. There is a right every type of simulation that you can choose on this like catalyst and maybe what you can just set for SD-WAN just like this, and you can see this SD-WAN Cisco SD-WAN for specifically first is SD-WAN to 20.12 or cloud native SD-WAN, SD-WAN 20.10 or SD-WAN 20.10 always on. You can try to launch this Cisco SD-WAN. On this side, on general detail, you can see the duration of your time to use simulation of this SD-WAN. You can the maximum is 5 days, and you after that this you feel summary. Okay, I already had this simulation on this site. Okay, on the view, if you already view summary and launch the simulation, you can have like this. simulation about SD1, there is a Prisma, Vmon, Vmanet. But there is no VS. I look at here. Okay, first I'm gonna tell you what is the Vmanet. Okay, Vmanet basically a center management and that is function for monitoring a platform for Cisco SD1. It focuses on easy to use GUI to configuration and monitoring. Thus, admins also can configure policies in this VMNS. Then this is suitable for this component for vSmart, vBond, and others. Next one is vSmart. vSmart is like responsible for the control of the plane. Just imagine the plane of the SD-WAN network. They handle routing updates, routing filters, and security policy. Communication between vSmart controllers and edge via Overlay Management Protocol or OMP, which facilitates control plane configuration and update. Redundancy allows BS to connect multiple vSmart controllers to increase resilience. Okay, after that is VBonds. What is VBonds? VBonds is an initial authentication point for all other SD1 component here. It's authentication EMS and VS component. Okay, there is not yet. Okay, one established, the people provide the edge with a public IP address and EMS component ports, enabling them to authentication and join the network. Redundancy enables the use of multiple P1 orchestra. Uh, okay, I forget what is. The next one, there's no like here. I'm just gonna go to this, and the next one is VS. Okay, the VS is the most important thing we need to know here because the VS is the most component that you gonna use so much RAM you need on your computers. So I basically uh, not remind but advise you to maybe hosting a PPS or video private server on your local host or what hosting maybe or what web or anything. There is a more like expensive like 900,000 rupiah for 1 month for a minimum of 32 gigabytes and 8 core. This 8 core. Okay. VS is one including there is two. This VS. I'm sorry, that is vehicle. VS is actually is have to add VS and CH. There also are critical to Cisco SD-WAN deployment. They establish secure data plane to connection with a remote one. Add filters and ensure secure control plane communication with the vSmart controller. Each site typically has one or more WAN edge, which act as a typical has one or more WAN edges, which acts like connectivity between legacy routing and the new SD-WAN OMP routing protocol. Okay, back. On this simulation, you can see this like the activities of this. You can see first, you can see the instruction. On this section, you can see the overview of this uh, component like this simulation, like where is the manager control this use. This is simulation. After that, you can go to access details and others. Okay, then on this access detail, we can try one more again. You can see there is a VPN access to our Windows, Mac, and Linux. Can you try it? Upgrade to your running. Additional result is code exchange, SD-WAN APs, SD-WAN management, Python, SDK, sandbox support. Okay, that's all. And as is other, you can see like this quick access for VPN address. This is VPN's username, VPN, and this is the password. There's a kind of random. In the text, there is a text bracket by who, there is by taught you for the ID. Employment girlfriend is my Bob and who. And workflow is like I still don't. I'm sorry, I still don't know what this is for. And first, we're gonna go to instruction to access Israel. on the structure detail, you can see in this table. You can see all of these IP address and path. If you see this is a SD-WAN manager. An SD-WAN manager, we can copy this, just Control C to copy, and we can paste to this to view of the Cisco Catalyst of SD-WAN, SD-WAN manager. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's kind of loading too long. Just we're gonna wait for a few couple minutes. Hmm. Hmm. Eh. Hmm. But this is kind of bit. Oh, to wait a minute as I to refresh. Hmm. It's kind of it's some kind of error. Maybe my internet is bad or something. But I think it's not. Okay, just wait a few couple minutes again. Hmm. Okay, it's kind of too long. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna using pictures to tell you. Uh, wait, Cisco kata is kata Alice is kata S1 manager. Okay, we're gonna go see on this picture. Okay, if you can see right here, and I'm gonna click this. Uh, this is what should be being we can view on this analysis what we're gonna see on this, but I don't know what happened. But because this stuff is gonna be can be reached. Okay, so I think I hope this is can log in and see the inside. But when you inside, you can see of this like monitoring of the simulation of this SD-WAN like this VX. If you can see this later, this age. I don't know what's this. But just like we can monitoring all of this on SD-WAN management. Okay, that's I'm gonna say. But if you wanna to know the advantage, maybe it's more like optimize user experience efficiency for cloud. Reduce cost for 3G or 4G. Common texture as provisioning and configuration automatic. And there are also one disadvantage, but not gonna say it because you can search it by yourself. Uh, I really hope I can show you this analysis because there is more of this simulation I'm gonna do. But that's all. I really want to try this configuration, but my laptop is kinda it's hot right now, and yes, like that is automatically died. Yeah, that's about me. Thank you for listening me on this explanation about SD-WAN. Hope you enjoy. Let's see on another. See each other next time. Okay. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.